Okay, let me make this big. Let's go over our technology rules. Firstly, when we have technology in our classroom, we don't want to have any food or drinks around because if it knocks over or there's crumbs, it could potentially break the computers or tablets or iPads or whatever we're using, and then we won't be able to use them. And so we need to be really safe around them and just not have any food or drinks around them. Secondly, be very careful. This is not an at-home toy. This is not something we can walk around with. If they are movable, like iPads or Chromebooks, you need to be sitting down and being very safe with them, because if they break, we may or may not be able to get them back. So it's very important to be careful. Help our friends. If we are sitting at a computer or anywhere and we see that a friend is struggling, help them out. Don't watch them struggle. It's nice to help a friend, and they'll be very grateful, and I will be very grateful because there is only one of me. Next, put the computers away correctly. This is more about laptops or Chromebooks. If they have a number, they need to be put away with the number that's on the cart. Sometimes we share the cart and we don't want, to return the cart with a bunch of crazy computers around everywhere and not plugged in and charged. So make sure you put the computers away correctly, and that you're putting them on the charger when you're finished. And only for schoolwork. I should not be seeing you playing games or on anything else other than using it for schoolwork, unless that I tell you you can do so. Otherwise, we may not be able to use the technology if we can't use it for the correct purpose. So these are just a few rules I want you guys to remember while using the technology in our classroom. Thank you.